Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to claim and raise a compensatory off request within the leave management application in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the leave management application, he or she can simply click on the claim compensatory off button and a pop-up will be displayed. Now, the date for which the compensatory off is to be applied can be selected. The various compensatory off types are displayed and the user can either select a full day or a half day compensation based upon their preferences. A managerial note can also be added, and once the apply button is clicked, the claim is created successfully and is populated within the landing page. An approval workflow will be triggered where once the approver approves the request, the compensatory off can be claimed and is closed successfully. Compensatory off usually is applied and taken care of if the user has worked any day which is a holiday and need to claim the compensation for the particular work that he or she has provided during a holiday. Thank you for watching.